I've just finished gluing up the tambour doors and temporarily installed these doors into the outer box for the Seymour Secretary bookcase. And I just wanted to test how these doors are working after glue up to this canvas backing. And then after that I attached the handle. Some of the canvas backing is behind this holding the handle, and they're working quite well. Now this box is not glued up yet. It's still not glued, and I have to work out a locking mechanism in the middle here at the special unique way that the Seymours locked these doors to this middle post here. This will be covered up with a column that is decorated with quite a bit of veneer and bandings. So that will cover, there are 3 of these columns that will be placed here. There'll also be another top up here with some bandings. But I'm pleased that these tambour doors are going to work, and looking forward to getting the locking mechanism figured out.